Hey, thanks for joining me for my stay at the historic and fabulous Flamingo, Las Vegas. My check-in experience was good. I decided to skip the notorious long line and use the self-service check-in kiosk just this one time. I booked the cheapest room at Flamingo, however the kiosk assigned me a Go room on the 24th floor. The Go room is an upgrade from the cheapest Fab room, focusing on a more modern tech-forward experience. So technically this should be a free upgrade to a better room. We shall see. The Go room at Flamingo, Las Vegas measures up at 350 square feet. I ended up with a double queen room, and it came with 2 queen-size beds with Sealy Posturepedic mattresses. Go room comes with a 42-inch screen mounted. At the bedside, there is a cute little teal flamingo lamp, a landline, and electronic shear and drape controls. There is a workstation with a wireless charging dock and power outlets. There is a great little mini fridge with temperature control and a freezer compartment. This room had a great view of the pool area, the Flamingo wildlife habitat, the high roller wheel, and the Las Vegas Sphere. Ooh, especially at night. This room comes with ample closet space, and that is where you'll find your ironing board and safe. The room comes with a decent sized bathroom, not a lot of counter space though. Is a large shower with closing door. And here are the creepy mounted bath products. And this shower comes with a pair of mounted body jets, which I thoroughly enjoyed. The problem with this room is, for one thing, the carpet had horrible stains all over it. Look at this wall, it's like there was a horrible fight here or something. Oh, Flamingo, you dirty bird. You dirty bird. And just look at this ironing board. Would you iron your shirt on that? Blah. The Flamingo Pool Complex is divided into two distinct areas, the Gold Pool area and the Family Beach Club Pool. The Gold Pool area is restricted to adults 21 and over. General admission to the Flamingo Pool area is free for hotel guests, while non-guests can get free access on a first-come, first-served basis during the week, though some days may require a fee. The Gold Pool area emulates a party vibe, and the music is played really loud. In the center of the Gold Pool, there is a swim-up bar. And you'll have a hard time finding a lounge chair close to the pool. It's a nice pool, but after an hour it'll give you a headache. They also have these other pools where you can relax and rent a cabana or a day bed. Upstairs they have the Family Beach Club pool. This is the family pool and has no age restrictions. They have the Beach Club bar and grill there, and this is probably the best spot to grab some sun. Located in the heart of Flamingo is the Flamingo Wildlife Habitat. This 4-acre wildlife habitat is a must-do for families and anyone looking to escape the hustle and buzz of the Las Vegas Strip. The Flamingo Wildlife Habitat is open from 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. daily, and admission is free. Okay, so what's going on at Flamingo? Not this. For entertainment, there is the stud of the strip, Mr. Las Vegas, Wayne Newton, the magic and comedy of Piff the Magic Dragon, RuPaul's Drag Race Live Las Vegas, and X Burlesque, because Flamingo's the dirty bird. Located in the Flamingo Promenade is RuPaul's workroom, where you can get the ultimate makeover. Right next door is where you'll find the fitness center and spa. Use your key card to gain access. Right outside, it looks like they have some coffee and grab and go. Grab and go. If you prefer Starbucks, there's a new one right in the lobby. And here is Carlos and Charlie's Mexican restaurant. This restaurant will be closing soon, however, and becoming something else. In the food court, there is an Auntie Anne's, a Johnny Rockets, Banano's New York Pizza Kitchen, a Wing Zone, and a Nathan's Hot Dogs. And look what just popped up, Gordon Ramsay Burger at Flamingo. Gordon Ramsay Burger at Flamingo, Las Vegas flips the script on your average burger joints with bold creations like the Hell's Kitchen Burger. This new venue features an open kitchen, central bar, and a strip side patio crowned by a 25-foot LED column. Also new to Flamingo is Pinky's by Vanderpump. Pinky's by Vanderpump is a glamorous cocktail lounge and restaurant created by television star and restaurateur Lisa Vanderpump. And there's Bugsy & Myers Steakhouse. This swanky spot serves up premium dry and wet aged steaks, dazzling cocktails, and a side of speakeasy mystique. Also new to the Flamingo Las Vegas is the Cuban American restaurant Havana 1957. Havana 1957 is open daily from 8 a.m. until midnight and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Havana 1957 has a dynamic atmosphere that will transport you straight to the streets of Havana. With its vintage decor, warm lighting, and classic Cuban music that fills the air. From savory sandwiches to slow-roasted meats, the menu is a celebration of the bold and rich flavors that define Cuban American cuisine. Havana 1957 also features live music, typically on Fridays and Saturdays, starting around 7:30 p.m. I stopped in for a bite and ordered a Cuban bowl. The traditional Cuban bowl comes with roasted pork shoulder, moro rice, avocado, tomato, cucumber, spring mix, pork rinds, and crispy plantain chips with Cuban mojo. Wow, the Cuban bowl is really good. Such a great variety of fresh flavors. And the roasted pork shoulder was delish. The moro rice was excellent and so nutritious. Located adjacent to Flamingo Las Vegas is the LINQ Promenade. The LINQ Promenade has a lot of things to offer like dining, entertainment, the zip line, and the high roller wheel. But my stay at Flamingo would not be complete without a visit to In-N-Out Burger. Oh yeah, In-N-Out Burger. A chocolate shake and a double-double for under $10. Best cheap eats in Las Vegas. With a view. So is staying at Flamingo worth it? The location is great, the price is right. And hey, I love the history of this property. I've been to Flamingo before and my expectations were low. However, the service was mediocre, the pool gave me a headache, and the room made me sick, so I have to say no. Thank you so much for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more Las Vegas content. Hit the center icon to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.